Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 10, 2023. 4 star Sudoku. Column D, we get 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th row, only one number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row, we have 2. Column J also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column H we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column H, column J we have 2. 7th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column H we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come here one of these cells, 2 cells. We confirm later. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come here one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column H, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. The 8 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column G, we have pair numbers 8, 6 and 7. 8, 6 and 7. The 3 numbers can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column I, we have 3. 8th row also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, column G, we have pair numbers 3, 6, 7. 3, 6 and 7. The 3 numbers can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 9th row, 10th row, and 4th row also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come here one of these cells. Confirm later. Column D, 4th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come here one of these cells. Confirm later. 4th row and 9th row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come here one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column F, column G, 3rd row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come here one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 3rd row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 3rd row we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then first grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 3rd row we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column B, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then 4th row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 10th row, column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, then 5 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, only one numbers are remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Third row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then second grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column I, we get 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Third grid, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. The ninth row, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. The ninth grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then third grid, column J, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Seventh row, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then fourth grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column D, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then seventh grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 8th grid and 8th row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Fifth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Fifth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fifth grid, column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Seventh row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.